Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my chocolate chip cookies, because who doesn't love cookies? Here I have my butter and it's at room temperature. I'm using unsalted butter. I'm going to go in with some brown sugar and some granulated sugar. Gonna get my spatula. You can use a spoon or whatever. Just cream it real good against the sides of the bowl, because that kind of help get it nice and blended. This is perfect, so I'm going to go in with an egg and some vanilla. Make sure your egg is also at room temperature. Get that mixed in really well. Then I'm going to go in with my dry ingredients. Make sure you sift your dry ingredients to prevent any lumps. Then I'm just going to gently get that together. You can get in there with your hands if you want to. Just going to go ahead and use a spatula, and when it's not working anymore, then I'm going to shift over to this metal spoon right here because it makes life easier. And you don't want to overwork your dough. Once it comes together, leave it alone. I'm going to go in now with the man of the hour, the chocolate chip. Now the amount that goes in here depends on your love for chocolate and extra sweetness. You want to get a taste of chocolate with every little bite. These chips are not that sweet. You can use semi-sweet or whatever you want. But bear in mind that we have some sugar in here. You want to be careful. You can play around with your ingredients to get that right balance of texture and sweetness or whatever. Just you can always play around with it. Now, if you want everything to be nice and neat and the same size, you can use a measuring spoon or an ice cream scoop. But whatever you do, just make sure that you leave some space in between, because as they start to bake, they will flatten out. As you know what chocolate chips look like. Well, you know what chocolate chips cookies look like. You know what cookies look like in a whole. So I'm gonna pop this in the fridge for an hour or two so they can firm up a bit, so they can bake evenly. Make sure your oven is preheated. That is important. Now from here, once you pop these in the fridge and they're nice and firm, if you want, you can kind of stop them, put them in a Ziploc bag, and you can store them in the freezer for whenever you want to bake cookies. And these were in for 10 to 12 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and they are perfect. They're not all the same size, but who cares? They are delicious. Look at them. If you're not a lover of sweetness, these are not for you. Or what you can do is use less sugar and less chocolate chips. These are delicious. I kid you not. I don't even tell lies on Thursdays. These are crispy and delicious. Thank you for watching, and I hope you try this recipe, guys.